So we've got a box. Not going to show you the box because it'll have my address in it somewhere, but I can assure you it's just a pretty unexciting HelloFresh box. But what's inside? Let's have a look. Got this off eBay and yeah, go ahead. I probably shouldn't have bought it because I'm trying to downsize, but I thought I would get this, and I've actually sold my current version of this. I thought it would probably be better to keep this, so we're now about to see what it is. What is this? Well, I bought it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's obviously filthy. 1994 Edward, but in blue. Now my Edward was red and a bit scabby, so I thought ditch that and keep this in the collection because I've got enough in red pneumatics as it is. So it's yeah, it's an Edward really. Apparently there was some damage underneath. That's a wee bit white, but it's not broken. But I think, yeah, there's cracks here, which I will probably glue to stop them getting any worse. There's a bit something in the wheels. It all needs a good clean up. So what I think we'll do is we'll grab Henry cordless and hoover it out a bit, and then I will let you see it working, because it does work. I'm told it works anyway. We shall see. So he's borrowed a hose and a bag, and I've very quickly hoovered off the filter, and we will see how well it works. Apparently it doesn't have any nasty grumbles or anything, so we'll see. That's not too bad. Quite powerful. So yeah, apart from being very faded, it's not bad. We'll give it, obviously a good clean might help the fading. But yeah, cool to have. Certainly not something you see every day. So thank you very much for watching.